guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, now I want to show you how to make the glitch, make your money so many. Okay, now my goal is you can look there. Okay, like this. This is the glitch. Okay. Okay, what is it now? Okay, you need this thing. 2 1 2. Nice. You need the table again. 1 2, and you cannot go inside. You need to eat blue candy. Where's blue candy? Okay, blue candy. Okay, nice. You need to sit. Okay, nice. Now I need the butter. Is it like this? Boom, and launch the bot. Oh, this is a fly glitch. Oh, I promised something. I need to eat pink candy. Okay, I promised something. Okay, you can jump. This has actually work. Yeah, that is so long time. There is so many gun. Okay, nice. Okay, I have to reset. Okay, now we need again a glitch. I have many glitch. Okay. Okay, we need wait. Okay, you need the jetpack. Okay, and there is one. You need a strongest block. If you don't have this thing, you can use wood, water, many. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can make there 2, but I recommended only 1 like this. Where is hing a block? Is it nice? Okay, you need like this, and we need a jetpack. No, jetpack. Okay, nice jetpack. You can use a bar. Okay, now you have where is it? Okay, this stair, but you can use many blocks. You can use wood, butter. I recommended this stair. Okay, wow, it's glitches. This is whoa, it's so fast. You can go to the end so fast. No. Is it so fast? No. No. 19 gold. But you can use it. This is so fast. You can use and many golds. But one tips for you. You need to damage your glitch, because if you don't damage it, you can get many gold in the end. Okay, now what I get? Okay, now there glitch again. Okay, wait, like this. But it is so hard. I cannot do that. Is it so hard? We need the anchor block off. I need the hinge block now. This is so hard to doing this. Okay, nice. You can trying so many trying to doing like this. Ooh, Rustal underscore fan. Sorry, my friend. Okay. No, it failed. It's so hard. We need more like this. Come on. Okay. I'll start. What? I get like. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Sorry. There is error system with my game. Okay. Now that is so hard, and I use another glitch. These glitches are so hard to control. Yeah, this is so hard. Okay, I like this and chef block off. Maybe this is a fly glitch, not a gold gold glitch. Okay, like this, nice. Okay, wait, nice. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. One block again. And out. Okay. Why restock? Okay, delete under. No, I saw lagging. I cannot do this. Oh, sorry. Oh, come on, restock fast. Okay, nice. Unlaunch the boat. Oh, look at this. A flying. But you need to. No. Ow. This is so hard to control what I say. No. No. Oh. I have to fix it. Sorry. Oh. With this still can. Oh no. It failed. Oh, no. Okay, guys. No. What? I touched the water. I got that. This is so freak. Oh man. No. But it's so cool. I done that. No. Ah. Oh no. I reset. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Wait. I have to still. Okay. Okay, there is one glitch again. This is so easy and so cheap. We need one set and one hinge block. Hinge block is so cheap. Okay, you can buy in this. You can use code for it. Okay. No, why? Okay, guys, you can delete the set, but I cannot. Why I cannot? Sorry, I don't delete the set. If try this, before launch, okay, please delete the block. Bye. Bye guys.